Yes, 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 we are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben. Welcome to my live stream. Today, we're actually going to talk about will Bitcoin reach 20K before February 2020? Okay. And we are going to look at some charts also. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you're watching that replay, you can actually hit settings, hit speed 1.5 or 2 to speed up the stream. Turn a half an hour video into a 15-minute video. Thanks a lot for stopping by. If you don't know who I am, my name is Big Ben. I am a professional day trader. I trade the financial markets Monday through Friday and also swing trade crypto only by looking at the charts. Okay, I don't get caught up in all these crazy stuff, all the crazy stuff that's going on, like news and all that stuff. The facts are right in front of you if you look at the chart. All right, so if you want to learn more about that, definitely hit that subscribe button. I have going on 12 years. So let's get the party started. Let's see if I see anybody in the building. Okay, what's going on, Dom? What's going on, Bobby? We're going to definitely get to you guys later. I don't know how many people is going to show up. It is 12:42 p.m. around my time, so it's around lunchtime. So I don't know how many people are going to show up, but we're going to make this real quick. So let's go to CoinMarketCap. All right, on CoinMarketCap, we have basically the market is pulling back a little bit. So the dominance is still 62.5, market cap 320. We will see if they want to bring the dominance up more. But right now, everything is just consolidating and trying to figure out. We're just trying to figure out what's going on right now. All right. Last time we spoke, I was telling you guys I'm waiting for another pullback. Now, right now, if you look at it, the major direction is to, not the major direction, but the short-term direction right now is actually to the upside, right? So, looking for longs is not a bad idea. Right now, it's just that we hit a major resistance zone. So, me personally, I expect probably another sell-off, okay? Another leg down, probably to wipe out these guys right here and maybe go back to 8,000. Now if we hit the 8,000 mark, can we find support? That's the next thing we have to see. All right, so we have to see if we can find support around here, okay, and see if we can make another high. That's if they want to bring it back down. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, can they go back up? Yeah, that's a possibility, but right now, I'm looking for maybe another retest to this breakout right here. All right. So that's where I stand when it comes to Bitcoin. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Let me see if I see anything going on here. Basically, we're making lower lows. Lower highs. Nice little sell-off July 4th, which I thought they was going to catch people off guard on July 4th. So I'm not surprised at all. We most likely probably will have another sell-off here. Now the question is, could this be an inverse head and shoulders like this? Okay, we got the left shoulder, the head, and if we pull back to this area, can we, voila, go up? Possibility, but we have to see. Okay, but I am most likely waiting for more sell-off or more selling. Okay, from this area. I believe that this area right here is major resistance. I've been waiting for this area for the longest. If you've been following me for the longest, you know that 6,000 was the area right here. Around 8,000, 9,000 was the area right here. Around that 95, 10,000 mark was the area for me. And 12,000 to 13 was my major area. Okay, if you've been following me for a long time, I told you guys this is the area I believe. Actually, I have a video. I forgot the title. I think the title is Bitcoin will go to 12K or something like that, or I believe Bitcoin will reach 12K, and I explain why. Because we had this big triangle right here. The top of the triangle is where a lot of people will put stop losses at, and I believe they was going to come and wipe out all the stop losses. Okay, and I thought to myself, okay, that could be the area where we see major resistance, and so far it's playing out. If you look at it, boom, and look at the sellers. Okay, the sellers came in heavy. So I do probably expect another probably leg down for continuation. It doesn't have to happen, but most likely they probably want to do that, right? So that's why I'm looking for that, because we had that resistance zone right there. All right. Now let's look at these other coins real quick. Litecoin. And I will get to you guys' questions. And if you guys have any questions, type it in right now as we speak. Type it in, guys. Welcome. If anybody that's new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Okay. And basically, I will get to your questions later on. So, Litecoin looks like it wants to roll over. So we have to keep an eye on that. This whole up move, to me, in my opinion, is kind of suspect. But like I said, we have to keep an eye on it. Litecoin is having to have it in soon, right? So it's almost like a what do you call that? Buy a rumor, sell the news type of situation. So you keep an eye on that. A lot of sellers is coming in. It looks like we probably can make another low too with this. So keep an eye on that. Ethereum right now had a little pop today, but it doesn't look too crazy to the point where it looks like it wants to continue to go back up. So like I said, we got to keep an eye on this stuff. But overall, Bitcoin usually when things sell off, okay, Bitcoin usually lags a little bit, okay. So we can actually look at other cryptocurrencies if they're selling off before Bitcoin, right? To gauge or to know whether we are going to have a sell-off when it comes to Bitcoin, because like for example, Ethereum could actually have a sell-off and Bitcoin could still be up in the 12,000s, and then eventually it will have another sell-off too. So keep that in mind, that Bitcoin will lag, especially when it comes to sell-offs. All right, so that's that. Let's look at XRP. And oh man, XRP is back to, guys, what's going on with XRP? On some, I'm not even trying to be funny right now. Like, what's really going on with XRP, guys? All right, all my XRP subscribers and holders, what's going on with XRP, guys? All right, I thought XRP was the golden coin or something like that. All right. Because when we had this pop right here, I had a lot of XRP moon boys, hit me up and say, ha ha ha, the market is going up. I'm like, bro, why you saying ha 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 for? Like, okay, I see the market going up, and okay, I'm making money while the market is going up too. So what are you talking about? But my thing is, right now, it looks like this thing is dropping more, and I'm trying to figure out, like, this is supposed to be the coin that everyone's talking about is going to take the #1 spot. All right. I don't know, man. Tell me what's going on with this coin. So that's about it. Really don't want to go too much on these other cryptos. Let's see if you guys have any questions before we get to that. Let's give you guys a round of applause. Hope you guys had a great weekend, July 4th. Actually, not weekend, but July 4th. Like I said before, I had a barbecue, so I was straight. What's going on, Dom, Boop, Bobby? What's going on, guys? Good to see you guys here. Leonard, Superior, MK. What's going on, guys? Tiny. All right. So if you guys have questions, type it in, please. Type it in. Let me see if I see anything here. Let's go down to 20K already. You said down to 20K, or you talking about up? Tati, what's going on, Tati? Yes, we are live. We are live. Glad to catch you. Yes, man. Shout out to you. Brandon said, what's good, Ben? I'm loving these courses. Thanks, man. Shout out to you, Brandon. Brandon's actually one of my new students, and he has my new course. So shout out to you, man. I definitely appreciate it. And Brandon, like I said to all my students, if you need any help, I don't care what it is, you can message me on Discord, or just hit me up via email. All right. I'm here to help you guys. So Superior said, I bought the day trading course. Can't wait to get started, man. Shout out to you, bro. Another student, another new student. Again, Superior. Okay, I'm gonna tell you. Okay, if you need any help with anything, okay, message me via Discord or email me, and I will definitely help you out. All right. So, guys, if you have any questions, type it in. So let's get the party started. Of course, for you guys that's watching a replay, if you want to have more education and learn how to take advantage of these markets in the short term, not, it's not all about hodling. Come and get this course. Is the link? The link is actually below. All right, and I will give you guys that discount later. Okay, so I'm just basically telling you guys on that replay, check out that course below. All right, now let's see if I see any questions. What's going on, crypto? You said, does the gaps need to be filled because they have filled every single time? It don't need to be filled, but most likely, I'm looking for more selling. So if we do have more selling, most likely those gaps will be filled. All right. Okay. All right. So let's get. Hold on, guys. Let me see here. Let me see if I see any more questions here. All right, so let's get to the topic of the day. Okay, will Bitcoin reach 20K before February 20th? All right, we have people in the industry. They are real bullish right now. They swear that this is the bottom, and we are going to 50K, 100K, $1 million. And honestly, I hope that Bitcoin goes to 50K, 100K, $1 million. Okay. Unfortunately, hope doesn't pay my bills. Okay, so I have to look at the reality. And you have guys that posting pictures like this and saying that, okay, I have a trend line. The trend line is pointing to 20K, and this should be around February. Okay, we should get to 20K by February. Okay, now, guys, I wish it was that easy. I wish it was that easy. Not saying that Bitcoin can't go to 20K by February or before February, but the person that posts that basically trying to make it sound that easy. And the reason why I'm having this conversation is because I don't want you guys, right, to fall for a lot of stuff that's out there like that. All right. That's the reason why most of you guys got in trouble in 2017, because you thought Bitcoin was going to go to 50K, 100K, whatever K it is. And then most of you guys kept buying, and especially a lot of you guys bought at the top. All right. And the reason why you bought at the top is because you listen to guys like that don't know anything about nothing when it comes to the charts. And just because it sounds good and it goes with your belief system, automatically you start to believe it, even if that guy doesn't have any experience. Okay, you start to believe it because it goes with your belief. But you will ignore the person that has experience and that's telling you, hey, chill out, bro, just because he's saying things that doesn't go with your your beliefs. So you have to be realistic, especially when it comes to making money in the markets. We don't control the market, guys. All right, all we can do is sit back, make educated guesses, right, and calculate risk. Make sure that you study the charts and look at certain things that repeats themselves over and over and over. Okay, this is how you can actually take advantage of the market, not by guessing or hoping or listening to YouTubers or CNBC just because they said something that sounds good and you want to roll with it. All right. So guys, make sure that you learn. Okay, learn understand your industry, understand how to read the charts, okay? And at the end of the day, you should make your own decisions, okay? Because if you don't learn and you don't make your own decisions, you will always be a slave to the news and to stupid YouTubers and to a lot of people that don't know what they're talking about, okay? So make sure that you learn, okay? I don't want you guys to be that guy that just get caught off guard because you're looking at craziness on YouTube or some website. All right, just like back in 2008. All right, when people was buying real estate and they thought it was going to last, right? And all of a sudden, the guys that bought at the last minute, those are the guys that got caught and lost. I know a couple of people, okay, that lost millions of dollars, okay, because they got caught up. Now, if you and I know people that saw it coming beforehand, and they positioned themselves to not get caught up with that nonsense, okay, because they know they had the knowledge. So, guys, you just can't jump into any industry without having some type of knowledge and understanding how it works. Okay, most of you guys don't care how the chart works. You just want to buy the dips and do a lot of craziness and don't care about nothing else. All right, guys, it doesn't work like that. You could be buying the top, you could be selling the bottom, you could be doing a lot of craziness, and it's not going to benefit you and your family. Okay, so learn how to educate yourself so you can make the last decision. All right, like for example, we had the Charlie. Remember, Charlie Lee said Bitcoin was going to $20, right? Actually, Litecoin. I'm sorry, Litecoin was going to $20. Where the bottom? Let's see. Litecoin went to. Let's see. Litecoin went to. Let me see. 20, 21 or $22. Okay, one of those, right? And he told you. He told you back in, what day was this? December 11, 2020, 2017. He told you. Okay, let's read some of the comments here. Okay? Not one person asked you, Charlie, why you expect to be a multi-millionaire in the bear market. Right? Let me see here. Would a Google CEO come out and say, don't buy Google because it's risky, can go down 80%? All right. This guy said FUD. Okay. He said go FUD Bcash, but not your own coin. Okay. No one's asking you to buy. You are FUDing for no reason. Okay. Litecoin is so undervalued. So people are trying to warn you and tell you certain things because they like Litecoin. I mean, Charlie Lee was basically trying to explain in the comment section, hey man, listen, I've been through this a long time ago, way before you guys came in the market. I saw Litecoin go up to a certain amount and crash real quick, okay? And most guys, if you look at the comment section, most guys automatically assume that this guy was spreading FUD and talking negative. And this is what happens, guys. This is what happens when you don't educate yourself and don't learn about your industry, because automatically, if someone says, hey, man, I think this coin is about to dip low or it's about to go lower, automatically we'll say, man, stop spreading FUD or stop saying negative stuff. Guys, we are not saying negative stuff. We just giving you our experience, right? We're giving you our knowledge because we've been through this before. So you have to, as an investor, it's your duty, guys, it's your duty to learn how the market works. Why would you want to gamble or just be an investor that's, do things just because everyone else is doing it, right? Why do you want the whole process, to be like a dark tunnel where you don't know what's going to happen next? Okay? Educate yourself, learn. I don't care if you learn from me or anyone else. I don't care who you learn from, but just educate yourself, because you're going to be one of those guys that's always get sensitive when someone says, hey man, I believe we are going to correct and go down. All right. You're always going to be that guy that's, going to get sensitive, emotional, right? Give someone thumbs down, unsubscribe, because you don't want to hear the truth. Because you're too lazy to educate yourself and understand how things really work, right? You criticize Charlie Lee, even though he did sell his Litecoin, but at least he said, guys, be careful, all right? At least he said, be careful. At least he told you straight up, like, guys, buying Litecoin is extremely risky. He at least said it. Some CEOs don't even tell you, hey, man, this is risky. So shout out to him, when it comes to that. But some of you guys don't want to listen because you think your favorite coin is going to the moon because that YouTuber said it. Or this person on CNBC said it. CNBC said it, all right? Guys, you have to make your own decisions at the end of the day. And how you do that is learning how to read the charts. Okay, right now, this could be a risky play right now when it comes to Bitcoin because we in a situation where, okay, are we going to go up or are we going to pull back and continue to go straight down, So right now, it's like an iffy situation right now when it comes to Bitcoin. A lot of guys don't want to hear that because you think this is the bottom because everyone else is saying it's the bottom. But you have to be careful, okay? You can't go all in just because you think you're going to miss the boat. I know some people are taking out loans and doing some craziness right now, right? I don't want you guys to go to, another situation where you don't know what's going on. You asking yourself, I can't believe I just took out a loan and the market is crashing again. All right, I swore this was the bottom. Everyone else said it. He has 100K subscribers, so he has to know what he's talking about, right? Come on, guys. All right, but let's be professionals. So if you guys have any questions, you can type it in. Maybe I'm not gonna make this a live, another a long live stream, but I wanted to come on here to let you guys. I don't care where you get your information. You don't have to get it from me. I don't care where you get it from. Just educate yourself, all right? I do have a course. You can check that out. I usually give you that discount. So let me get that right here. Okay. So for you guys that wants that live stream discount, you can only get this on live. Here it is right here. We are going to meet up this Sunday coming up. We're going to have another private live stream, not on YouTube, but it's going to be on Zoom. And I'm going to, on my private live streams, I share with you guys more information, how I feel about the market, why I feel about it, what I think is going to happen next, and much more. And also I'll show you how you can actually make money now, how you can do this full time, all this, all the sweet stuff. So go pick that up. It comes with an indicator that will help you, not force trades and help you just understand the market when you can combine it with price action. And this comes with a Discord and me. Okay, I'm basically trying to mentor you guys. I've been doing it for 3 weeks. This week coming up is the last week, so check that out. Let me see if I see any questions, and then we can wrap up the show. But once again, guys, thanks a lot for tuning in. Let me give you guys another round of applause. Let me see if I see here. Shout out to everybody that decided to take action and bought Ben's course. Shout out to them. Yes. Let me see here. Ben, I made a trade on S&P. Got a 2-to-1. On the Discord. Can you look at it when you have time? Yeah, I'll definitely look at it, Bobby. I'm reading these questions, guys. Guys, if you have any questions, type it in. All right. Litecoin's gonna roll over. Okay, so basically, guys, this is what this is what I want to talk about today. Bitcoin really didn't go back to any major breakout, so just be prepared for that. We had a breakout here and what is this, 3,000. We had a breakout here. This is right around 5,500, and we had a breakout around here, which is around 88, 9,000. So I do expect Bitcoin to at least probably go back to this breakout. Okay, we didn't go back to any major breakout, so I expect maybe at least minimum this one. Okay, we can go to this one, and we have to see if we can actually hold support here. Okay, and see if they want to bring this back up. So that's what I'm looking at right now. Since you guys don't have any more questions, we can wrap this up right now. But shout out to everybody that's here. Let me see if I see any more questions. And let me see here. All right, we 25 minutes in. That's not bad. We could definitely wrap this up real quick. All right, guys. So thanks a lot for tuning in. I appreciate it. I don't see any more questions. Shout out to you guys that's watching that replay. Hit those likes, guys. Hit those likes right now before we get off the stream. Hit those likes right now, guys. Your finger's not gonna fall off. Hit those likes. Be prepared. And always make your decision. Don't let someone persuade you, or don't let them let you go all in just because it sounds good. All right. Let me see here. Let me see if I see one more. All right. Let me see here. What's going on, Aces? Aces said I made 770. Ben day trading the course today. What's up, man? Shout out to you making 700 from the day trading course. For you guys that don't know, I have a day trading course where I teach you guys how to day trade futures. So you're definitely interested in that. The link is usually below, but if it's not below, you can email me for the link. Once again, guys, thanks a lot for tuning in. I appreciate you guys. I'm about to wrap this up. If you have any more questions, you can email me. Talk to you guys later. Make sure you guys have another lovely day. Make sure you improve practice, improve your life, grow as an individual, investor, and a trader. Talk to you guys later, and have a great day.